Morning guys, October 5th, 2024. So then I got a call from a lady I worked for in the past. She's got a problem where the toilet keeps running. So she says she could hear it running every so often. It keeps filling. So it sounds like maybe the flush valve is bad in there. But anyway, I gotta go over there and check it out. And she's related.
Left on Old West Port Road.
She's related to one of the owner of the daycare, one of the grandkids or something. So, you know, usually I try to take care of that family. If there's any issues, they'll call me and take care of it for them.
Longview Drive.
One of my better customers at daycare people, so real nice people. And you know, when you got good customers, you try to treat them good and take care of them. Cause, you know, good customers are hard to come by. So they're probably one of my better customers. You know, I got a lot of good customers, but you know, some rise to the top over others for whatever reason, one reason or another. And but anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we can fix the toilet for her. It's a grubber. We'll flush it. Oh, there's no water in it. Somebody must have shut it off. Oh yeah, the flap is all fucking gone. Look at that. Wow, let me get a light. Oh yeah, look at that. She's flipping toast. Wow, that's from bleach. Wow, look at the gasket on the bottom. Look at the flipping gasket on the bottom. Wow. She's putting fucking bleach in there. I got another universal one that might work here. I don't know. We'll try changing this to flapper first and see if that does it. But I don't know, that bottom gasket don't look too kosher. She's been putting bleach in there. That's what she's been doing. I'm gonna have to call her and tell her not to do that. Look at the bottom gasket. See how it's all getting rotted? Don't use bleach. That's a no-no. It eats the rubber. Look at that. Wow. Let's hopefully that bottom gasket's still good. That's a 3-inch flush valve. Will this work? I hope so. I think so. I think that's gonna work. Let's try that. She's been putting bleach in there. Look at that. Wow. Once I'm fixed with this thing, I'll call her and see. Oh, this thing's not shutting off. This has to go down some too. Should be 3/4 of an inch down. This should be 3/4 of an inch down. needs to go down some. Wow, that thing's really been running a lot. Must have a crazy water bill here. Once we fill it, we'll check inside and see if it's leaking past that other gasket. Alright, that's better. Anything I want to go down a little more. This thing might be full of water too, I don't know. Alright, that's better. I can tell in here if it's leaking. If it's leaking by, you'll see it. You'll see it. I don't think it's leaking by anymore. Oh, I think that's gonna work. I gotta get some more of them gaskets. There's a leaker. Old twisted sister.